Intensifying these monsoon rains that we have seen and the flooding becoming a new normal, as you have said in a recent interview. What urgent measures does the UN recommend to enhance Pakistan's resilience against the climate change and these kind of conditions?
Absolutely. First is to say this is not normal, but it has become normal. It's not normal because this is a man-made, essentially climate change that is creating supercharged monsoons that is devastating Pakistan every year. If not Punjab, it was Balochistan a few years ago. If not Balochistan, it's Sindh. So it's really difficult for the country's ability to progress on its development ambitions if everything you invest every few years is washed away. So what are the solutions? Unfortunately, climate change is with us. So the solutions are more of how do we live with it? How do we create a more resilient farming investments? How do we build our infrastructure to make sure that the bridges can withstand a much more violent monsoon? And more importantly, how do we equip our people, Pakistani people, in making sure that they can survive this unpredictable weather? So it's adaptation. To answer your question, adaptation is the number one thing that Pakistan needs. But the other thing is that Pakistan did not cause this. It hardly contributes to the global warming that causes these supercharged monsoons, but Pakistan is living with it. And I always tell people the impact, if you think the impact of climate change is a theory, come and talk to the farmers of Punjab or the farmers of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. So this is real, and this really needs to be dealt with. So from our perspective, one of the things that our Secretary General has called for is countries that have polluted to do more and move beyond promise and invest and support countries like Pakistan to be much more resilient. But there's other things that Pakistan can do for itself, and those are making sure, and you've seen, that people don't build close to the riverbeds. The country invests more in reforestation. There's so many things you can do apart from obviously getting those countries that have polluted, that have caused these monsoons, to support the resilience agenda of Pakistan.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।